So I'm at the 6-month usage point with this Logitech MK250. It's a keyboard and the mouse combo, and I truly couldn't be any happier with it. It is a workhorse. It takes everything I give to it. I can type for hours at a time. It's comfortable. Whisper quiet keys on it. It doesn't have that loud clacky sound that so many keyboards have these days. Mouse works perfectly. I use it with my laptop, but I also have it connected with my iPad too, so that I'm able to type on that very easily by virtue of the fact that it connects with Bluetooth. That's the little button right there that you use to be able to connect it and turn it on and off. It'll work with any type of tablet, not just an iPad. So a couple things, does have the number pad on it, but yet it's a really compact keyboard. It has everything with it, but it's not, gargantuan like you see some of them that are these days. The battery life has been great. It came with batteries with the keyboard and the mouse, and I have yet to change them, and I've been using very regularly for 6 months at this point. Logitech is a really respected brand, and I bought several pieces of their equipment over the years, and I am impressed with this one very much so far and would recommend.